உன்னை பார்க்க வானத்தை தாண்டியும் வந்து என் காதல காமிப்பேன் நான் என் மூச்சவ பேச்சவ பேசலும் அழகவ எனக்குள்ள கலக்குற ஆக்சிஜன் அளவவ யாரவ நூத்துக்கு நூறவ அவதான் என்னவளா.
Mic testing 1 2 3. Me and Brindan, even though we're born, late 90s, early 2000s, I'm in the car drive Pona, Ilayaraja songs, and that's the favorite thing that we both love. We'll be singing along even though our voices are terrible, and that's the special thing that made us be with each other, because I met another version of myself in Brindan, and I hope that bond lasts forever because I really love him a lot. Favorite thing I like is actually the way he reverses his car. As weird as it sounds, is my favorite thing about him. I can't wait to walk down the aisle to see you standing there in front of me, and I can't wait to just grab your arms and say, take me with you forever. I'll always be by your side no matter what, and I love you.
முரளையவ கலையவ அழகிய நிலவவ நிழலிலும் ஜொலிக்கிற நிரந்தர ஒளியவ சரியவ தவறவ சிரிக்கிற சிரிப்புக்கு அவதான் காரணமா.